Hello my YouTube friends, welcome back to my channel. So I went to Paris at the end of November for Thanksgiving, and as you can see, it's already super festive in Paris. And here's a gigantic Christmas tree in the Lafayette Mall. And if you watch my unboxing videos, you know I went a little bit crazy and I actually bought 4 Chanel handbags from Paris. And in today's video, I'm going to take you back to Paris with me and we're going to do some Chanel shopping. I'm going to show you a lot of eye candy like this super cute mini flap. And at the end of the video, I'm going to review the 4 Chanel handbags I purchased. The store we went to is Chanel's first ever store on the Chambon Street. I also get a chance to visit Coco Chanel's studio, which is right next door. By the way, this red velvet mini reissue is just gorgeous. However, I think the material itself is really hard to maintain, so I have to skip this. This iridescent classic flap in the medium size also caught my eye. I think this is in the gorgeous iridescent pink. However, when I checked the price point, it's already 7,900 euros. Last time I came to Europe for a business trip, I helped my friend purchase the classic flap in the same size, and it was only 4,600 euros something. And I have to say the price increase is crazy. That's why we decided to skip the classic line and switch to some of the small leather goods or the clutch with chain. Since this is the cruise and spring-summer collection, all of the colors are super light and super fresh. For example, the avocado green and also this gorgeous pink color are both very cute. But because the size of the bag is so small, you cannot fit anything except for maybe a credit card and lipstick. It seems that mini bags, especially the clutch on chain, is still very trendy. And look what I found! A denim card holder with chain, and this is from their most popular Pro Crush line. Oh my gosh, I believe this particular design is sold out everywhere. The Pro Crush is actually something that you can use to adjust the length of the chain. And for the denim collection, the Pro Crush is even more special. Unlike the ones in the lambskin leather, the Pro Crush for the denim collection is made of a combination of, the metal and also the denim fabric. Let's take a closer look and assess the functionality of the bag. Instead of a wallet on chain, I would rather call this bag card holder on chain. Because I compared this with my Chanel card holder, I think it's the exact same size. It also has a pocket in the back, and the only difference is it has a chain with the Pro Crush on it. I understand this type of bag is just an accessory more than a handbag. It's from the 22 Cruise collection, and let's check out the price together. Can you believe this mini bag is retailed at 1,500 euro? And keep in mind that Europe has the lowest price across the globe. I believe this is a little bit ridiculous. So I asked the sales associate to take out some other mini bags so we can compare and take a look. I'd like to add a Pro Crush to my collection, so this camera bag, or some people call it the vanity case, caught my eye. Although this is also a mini bag, it fits a lot more compared to the card holder with chain. The lambskin leather goes perfectly with its antique gold hardware, and I absolutely adore its vintage vibe. By the way, I'm wearing my Max Mara coat, and as you can see, it doesn't look too small even if I'm wearing a lot of layers and with my Max Mara coat. The Pro Crush make the chain adjustable, so you can either wear the bag higher or lower. And if you haven't watched my unboxing video of this gorgeous camera bag with Pro Crush, please do follow the link and check it out. And before we continue our virtual shopping at Chanel Paris, I want to show you some close-up look of this gorgeous bag. I know I mentioned in my previous video I would never buy a lambskin handbag from Chanel because I thought it was so fragile and really hard to maintain. But I changed my mind after seeing this bag because the lambskin leather is just so luxurious. I believe all handbags from the Pro Crush line are made of lambskin with the exception of the denim collection that I showed you previously. So if you ever see a Chanel Pro Crush bag in the caviar leather in the secondhand market, please be cautious and verify the authenticity of the bag. Inside of this camera bag, you can see it's made of leather and fabric. There are two lambskin card slots, one in the front and the other one in the back. And on the one in the back, you see the Chanel logo engraved. And this bag is made in Italy. So after I picked the camera bag for myself, I also helped my friend to shop for hers. The best part of shopping in Paris is when you shop with your friend. My friend is also a Chanel lover, and she's only looking for the special pieces because she already have a lot of Chanel handbags in her collection. The one she picked is also a clutch with chain, but with a thicker chain. So it's much heavier compared to the camera bag I picked. And this is in iridescent leather. And as you can see, the color kind of fades from, light pink to a greenish color. This particular design also comes in the metallic gray color. Both of us think this color looks much better than the other one because it is very neutral. We can see her matching the bag with almost all her outfits, and it also has this cool girl vibe. I also disclosed the pricing in my unboxing videos, but for your reference, this crossbody bag is retailed at 1,700 euro, and for my camera bag with Pro Crush, the price is 2,400 euro. So for both bags, the retail price in Europe are much cheaper compared to the US retail. And besides, you can also get your VAT back, so you can do tax refund when you leave the European countries. After we learned the price difference between the US and Europe, we decided to check out more handbags from Chanel because why not, right? We want to kind of splurge a little bit and spoil ourselves while we're in Paris. If you've been following me for a while, you know I do have quite a few Chanel handbags, all from their classic line. Because I have a rectangular mini, I'm really looking for a square mini. And they only have this square mini in the salmon color. The color is gorgeous and it matches with my outfit. However, I noticed that the quality of the bag is really questionable. From this close-up picture, you see there are some scratches on the double C logo, and the quilting itself is not straight. After I expressed my concern, the sales associate apologized and bring this bag out. And this rectangular mini comes with the Pro Crush. It's highly sought after and it's pretty much sold out everywhere. Now I'm pretty sure they're hiding a lot of the bags in their storage room until they verify that you're not a reseller. In addition to this gorgeous salmon color mini CF, they also show me the avocado green one, also with the Pro Crush, and the small vanity case I'm searching for the longest time. The small vanity case come in two colors, and because it doesn't come with the Pro Crush, they are in the caviar leather. I kind of regretted of not getting the red one as well, because I think red color is very classic for Chanel. I ended up getting this super cute pearly white vanity case in the small size, and as always, because you purchased it from the Shenbao store, so it comes with white packaging, white box, and everything. I love how this milky white color matches with the champagne gold hardware. At first, I thought this is in silver hardware, but after I took a closer look, I realized this is in light gold, or some people call it the champagne gold. And inside of this small vanity case, you only have one compartment. Well, actually two, because you also have one slot for your lipstick. There's no way you can fit your phone inside, but I would say this is quite spacious. You can pretty much put your daily essential. And here's a comparison between my vanity case versus the camera bag. So for the vanity case, it's retailed at 1,900 euros. So it's a little bit expensive, but I'm still very happy with my purchase. And for the mini CF with the Pro Crush, in Europe, it's retailed at 4,200 euro. So compared to those mini bags that won't fit your phone, I feel like the price point for the mini CF is much more reasonable. And of course, I also got this gorgeous avocado green color mini CF with the Pro Crush. I also uploaded an unboxing video of this cutie, so if you haven't watched it, please follow the link and check it out. I call this avocado green, but I know some people also call it mint green or light green. This is such a refreshing color from Chanel's 22 Cruise collection, and I think the color is perfect for the spring-summer time. And remember, I got 4 Chanel bags from my Paris trip. So yes, I also got offered this mini CF in the classic black color, also with the Pro Crush. I will do a detailed review video soon, and please help me pick which one should I keep. If you haven't done so, please subscribe to my channel and stay tuned for more videos coming soon. Other than Chanel, we also shopped at Hermes, Louis Vuitton, Cartier, and other luxury brands. I have to say that Paris is indeed the shopper's paradise, and I feel so fortunate to come to Paris during the best time of the year. It's the holiday season, and all the shopping malls, all the street windows are well decorated. I just feel so happy every time I hear the Christmas song, I hear the music on the street, and I think Paris is such a beautiful city. I just can't wait to come back again. Alright, I hope you all enjoyed today's video. If you do, please don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye guys!